Hello, I'm Kathy Hayward, and I'm a clinical pharmacist, certified respiratory educator, certified tobacco educator in Calgary, and I work with Calgary Co-op Pharmacy Specialty Hub. I'm going to be at PharmacyU in Vancouver presenting along with Dr. Fairuz, Siraj on chronic obstructive pulmonary disease and how pharmacists can be part of a multidisciplinary team that they help to create themselves in order to improve outcomes in the people that we see and some new people who may have just discovered that they have COPD. We'll be covering the latest in guidelines on how to help people with COPD, and these guidelines are much more friendly to a pharmacy setting than previous guidelines may have been. We have tools and resources that you can use for your assessments and a fantastic way of filling out a form that will give you a great letter to send to your referring source, whether it was another pharmacist, a respiratory therapist, the discharge nurse from a hospital, a physician's office, or someone from the hospital, and you can let them know that you saw the person and what changes were made. You can follow up with someone and help them on their journey. The education will be a great part of this, and one thing we are doing is including some hands-on case review, and you'll find out maybe how to work with someone who doesn't want to show you their inhaler technique with some role play that Fairuz and I will do. I'm really looking forward to the conference because I always enjoy the engaged pharmacists that you meet there and the new ideas for how to implement change within your own practice. Hope to see you there. Thank you very much.